Currently, I'm working on a bigger optimization project, optimizing the top 10 strategies that I've presented here on TradeSmart AI so far. But the top 10 strategies are not chosen by performance, they are chosen by AI. What it finds the most promising, which strategy it thinks has the most potential. Till I'm ready with that video, I came to show you one of the best performance so far while I did this optimization, which is Munder's swing failure pattern strategy optimized for gold 30-minute chart. So without wasting any time, let me show you the full strategy and backtest results with the strategy ranking spreadsheet to you right now. Okay, here you can see the backtest results of this strategy tested over the last 4 years of price data. The actual optimization date I think is from 2021, the 1st of October, till 2025, the 1st of October. Then we have a holdout period that I used to check the performance of the best optimization results. And that is from 2025, 1st of October, till 2026, 1st of March. So here now you can see only the last 4 years of backtest results, as all of the strategies I showcase on TradeSmart AI is using a 4-year backtest period to make it easier to compare them. And as you can see, the performance is pretty good. The only thing I don't like is the trade count. It took only 100 trades. That means around 25 trades each year. I prefer at least 1 trade per week, so around 52 trades per year. But as I said, this is the best one I found so far. In these 4 years, it generated 155% net profit with under 20% maximum drawdown, so you can easily increase the position sizing on this one. I prefer to use around 25% maximum drawdown. The profit factor is very good, 1.647. Now comparing to the buy and hold, in these last few years, the buy and hold ends up exactly where this strategy is. But that is not surprising, as if you just take a look at how gold performed in the last 4 years up until the 1st of March 2026, that uptrending equity curve is pretty extraordinary. So let me show you the bigger picture. The first date I think this strategy started performing good is 2019, the 1st of July. And let's see up until today, so 2026, 22nd of August. And now, as you can see, there are only few times when the buy and hold outperformed this strategy. One is here and one at the very beginning. And another thing which I like to see on these strategies is that when the price of the underlying asset starts to go down, the strategy still performs relatively good. That's what you can see here. And I think here's another example. So the blue line starts trending down up until here, and it recovers only around here. While on the same period, the strategy's performance were outperforming those downtrending periods. One more thing before we get into the strategy explanation. Let's see 2026. The 1st of March till today's date, so that's totally unseen market performance data, and it looks pretty amazing. Only 12% maximum drawdown, 56% net profit in around half a year period, only 15 trades, I told you this is a low trade count strategy, and 2.89 profit factor. And now the buy and hold is easily outperformed by our strategy. So now let me explain the full strategy, indicators needed, everything you need to know. This is a pretty simple strategy, so open up the indicators tab. The only thing you will need is a 400 length EMA. So let's add this one. And once you added that, open up its settings and set it to 400. That's all the indicators you need to add, as this is a candle pattern strategy. But what is that candle pattern? Well, let's see. Here is a very long entry. So for a very long entry, generally, no matter how you optimize the strategy, we need to see these 3 candles. So technically, no matter how you optimize the strategy, we need to see these 3 candles. The first candle makes a low, which is around this level. Then the second candle makes an even lower low, which is around this level in this case. Then the third candle's low cannot be lower than the second candle's low. That low was here, so that's also true. And the candle needs to close above the previous candle's high point. So around here was the previous candle high point, and the current candle close was here. But for this optimized strategy, that's not all. So here is the strategy script itself. We are using the 400 length EMA. The risk to reward is 1 to 3. Stop loss distance is 0.65%. The trading stop loss is 1.5% away. And what we need to check for this valid long entry is the pullback lookback period. What does that mean? It is set to 80, which means that in the last 80 candles, this candle, which is the second candle in our 3 candle pattern, so this strategy's low needs to be the lowest in the past 80 candles. So let's count that. For that, I'm going to use a measure tool because counting 80 candles would take a while. So let's use this one here. So this candle and 80 bars is right around here. So in these 80 bars, can you see a lower low than this candle? I cannot, so that rule is also met. And of course, the price needs to close above the 200 length EMA. This blue line is the 200 length EMA, so we are all good to go. Entry at the close of the signal candle or at the open of the next candle. Stop loss will be placed at a 0.65% distance. So when you're using your position setup tool, just measure 0.65. That is around there, 0.652. And the take profit will be at a 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio, which is around there. Besides that, don't forget about the trailing stop loss, but that is totally optional. Without that, the performance just slightly worse. So you can easily go with this fixed stop loss and take profit levels. But if you want to use the full optimized strategy, then use a 1.5% trailing stop loss. So here down is the 1.5% distance, and on each candle you need to update that 1.5% distance. But in case of a long position, this stop loss distance can only go upwards and not downwards. Keep that in mind. So on this candle, for example, the 1.5% distance is right there. Let me show you. Close there. That's almost exactly that. That's all you need to know. Now this trade is a cherry pick trade, of course, and it hit the take profit. But there's one interesting thing you can see here, and that is that the strategy script did not exit right at the take profit level. It exited on the next candle's open. And yes, that's on purpose. First, the strategy waits for a take profit or a stop loss hit, then it exits on the next candle. So no in-candle exit, it makes this easier to automate, and probably you will get better fields too. Now let's see a short example, and then we will close out the video with the strategy ranking spreadsheet. Okay, here's a short example, a losing one, but for this example, that's totally okay. Let's see it. So again, we need to see the 3-candle pattern. So this is 1 candle, 2 candle, and 3 candles. The first candle needs to make a high, then the second candle needs to make a higher high, and the third candle needs to make a lower high, and the price needs to close below the previous candle's low point. Exactly the opposite as of a long entry. Don't forget about the EMA, so price needs to close below the 400 length EMA. That is the case here, so all of the rules are met for a valid short entry. Entry at the candle close or at the open of the next candle. Of course, the strategy enters at the open of the next candle. Stop loss at a 0.65% distance, right around there. And we are using a 1.5% distance trailing stop loss. Oh yes, and the take profit would have been at a 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio, around there. In this case, the stop loss would have been hit right here, but as I mentioned earlier, after a stop loss, the strategy waits for the candle close and it exits on the next candle's open. That's what happened here. So that's all. It's a pretty easy to understand strategy, not many options there. In the script, which you can get for free, you also have the long and short entry messages if you want to automate it. And let's just take a quick look at the properties tab. So I'm using a 10,000 USD initial capital with a 60,000 USD order size on each entry. So this is a non-compounding order size. With a compounding one, you probably would get better results. The commission is 0.04 USD per contract on each trade and on each entry and exit. And we are using a 15-tick slippage. But I checked and this strategy is pretty robust. If you use 10 times the commission, so 0.4 USD per contract, it will still perform good. Okay, before we move to the strategy ranking spreadsheet, how you can get access to this strategy. Where first of all, go down into the description, you will find there a Google Drive link. You don't need to sign up to anything, you just click on that link. It will lead you directly to the source code of this strategy. Copy the full source code, then come back to TradingView, open up Pine Editor. Now it's here in the right side at the bottom. Click here, create new strategy, highlight everything here. You delete it, paste the code right there and click on Add to Chart. If you've done that correctly, the script will be added to your chart like this. These are the optimized settings once again. Make sure to use these ones to get the best results on XAUUSD or gold 30-minute chart. And here's the strategy ranking spreadsheet. This one is also linked down in the description. Here I collect the backtest results of all of the strategies I showcase here on TradeSmart AI. And today's strategy is the swing failure pattern, which took the 55th place out of almost the 60 strategies that have been ranked. I know this is a low placement, but what really matters is how the strategy will perform after the optimization date. That's what will show you if a strategy is over-optimized or not. Of course, none of this is financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. Now here's the net profit, the profit factor, the win rate, the trade count, and the max drawdown. All of these values are looking pretty good, except the trade count. Now if you want to support the channel, you can get one of these strategies from my Patreon shop. These are paid strategies. If you buy them, you will get also the source code of it and usually 2 or 3 optimizations with them. You can find the link right here. And that wraps up today's video. Don't forget you can find useful links in the description, such as the download link of this strategy, the strategy ranking spreadsheet, affiliate links, and many more. Also, I recently released a massive 1.5 hour long detailed guide video for our version 2 premium scripts explaining every feature, filter, and option that these scripts have. You can check that video out right here, or once I'm ready with the top 10 strategy script optimization video that I mentioned at the beginning, I will link that too here. As always, thank you all for watching and for the support of all of our Patreon members. Have an amazing day, and until next time, trade smart.